So then here is 100%. That is for the total. Okay. And iced tea. And you have energy drink. Then you have orange juice. Okay. Roger bought 50% is for orange juice. So here to here is also 50%. Correct now. So 10 of them are iced tea. 25 is this. So when you have 25 plus 10, that will give you 35. So since 35, 50% is 35. So this is also 35 for that reason. Okay. This one is simpler. Huh? Okay. Next question. Now, this jacket discount 20% and he pay for it. So now he say usual price. The usual price is called the original. Okay. Original without discount. So without discount, I call that without. Okay. So this is without discount. Meaning to say the original price without discount must always be 100%. Definitely. Meaning to say when he buy, he have to pay what? He must pay 80% because of the discount. Thereafter, when I want to calculate how much was the discount, that is 20%. So I can equalize them using this. Now, if I'm not too sure you have been with me, I use the word called overhead bridge. It is a very powerful tool where I can use this to do a lot of things. Now, you must set some rule in this. For the start, many of them find it a very difficult, a very difficult way to remember. So what I want to introduce is, all right, you always have a heading. If this is percent, okay, if this is percent, this one must have a value. I'll put them in dates. Okay, so now I have to equate the value of 165. Okay, value. And this 165 is 80%, which I equate them. Okay, now when I equate them, I always keep them in the same column already. Yeah? Percentage is here, volume is here. And the question asks for 20%. For a 20% for you to do, of course, you say you have a shortcut to it, but I just want to use this to show. Put your question mark here. Now, overhead bridge, you climb up the escalator. You have a question mark, right? So follow. Your escalator must follow the question mark. Get it up. What do you have this? 165. When you cross the overhead bridge, do a division. What do you divide? Divide by 80. So overhead. So 80 will be below. When you get down, you must come up by the escalator. When you go up, is going up this direction. Coming down, what do you multiply? Multiply, you see, 20% here. So you can see that actually it goes by this L shape. If you take a look, all right, here, do you see this L shape going this manner? 165 divided by 80, then times 20. Do you see this? Okay. 1, 4. So what is your next thing you need to do? You need to find how much was the discount. 165 divided by 80. Use your calculator. And then times 20. Oh, sorry, the usual price is 100%. I wrote the wrong thing, sorry. This one should be 100, not 80, 100%. Okay, so 165, give me a minute. So you have 165 divided by 5. You should get a 33. Okay. So this one will be 33. So far, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm sharing this. Not sharing, I'm looking into this. Miniat is here already. Remus, are you here, Remus? Yeah, Remus is here. Irene is not here. I don't see her yet. Okay, for those who are here, if I call out your name and your homework is not done, please key in your answers now. Okay? Casey, I didn't see your homework. What happened?
I did it on a worksheet.
No, I want you to key into the system now. Yeah, you have your computer with you, right? Key into the system. You must cultivate that habit. Otherwise, every day I have been chasing. There are only 7 sums. Just key it in right away. Okay? Yeah, Xingyi, done. But Xingyi, you need to catch up with the corrections. Okay? All right, Darwin, you did. Jaden did, yes. Jervin, but not here is Jervin. Corinne, you didn't attempt. Can you tell me what is the reason? Okay, Miniat also. Miniat, you didn't attempt everything. Go and key in the answer now. Okay, I give you only like these few minutes to do it. So for those who are not here, I cannot tell them what to do. I have only 7 here, and then I yet have to wait. I give you only few minutes. Quickly do it. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm still going through the answers. So you have to catch up with this corrections later on, okay? Sorry, I have to make you do this, all right? Because if not, then this kind of habit is going to continue for a while, which I don't want. Okay, let me see Jaden. Jaden done. Okay. Okay. At the Great Singapore Sale, Lily enjoyed a discount of 40%. Okay, so this is the discount of 40, but he paid $300 for the sound system. So he wanted this so-called usual price. As I said, usual price is always 100%, right? I want to use the overhead bridge. Let's take a look how I can do it. So I say, this is the percent for column, and this is the value. Okay, 40%, and he paid 40%. So he paid 60%, right? That's the thing. So for you to pay the value of $300, you are actually paying 60%. Usual price is 100%, and then you get down to this. Okay, so what is my overhead bridge method, which I always say? Okay, what I have here is question mark. I look for this question mark, right? I go up 300, divide, go here, divide by what? 60. Get your escalator down and you multiply by 100%. Cancel, cancel. 100%. Don't need to write the percent. No units. So you get $500. Okay. Any question? Next question. Ryan bought 5 comic books. Okay, let's take a look. He bought 5. The original price of each comic book was $10. So this is originally. 25% discount on the first book. And the rest of the book, you will get 30% discount. How much would he have to pay for the 5 of them? So original is $10. So we have to find the pen. So I have a $10, which is a 25% discount. So overhead bridge, same. And then if with the original is 100%. Okay. So he need to pay how many percent here? When you have a 25%, you are finding the 75%. So overhead bridge, remember I say 10 over 100. Okay, so you will get $7.50. And this is only for the first book. How to find the price of the second book? Same. Okay, I find 100%. Then this will give me $10, right? When there's a discount of 30%, I need to pay 70%. So I have 10 overhead bridge, and that will give you 7 for the rest of the comic book. So each costs $7. That's meant for the prices. But if pay for the 5, that means in total, when you buy the 5 books, you need to pay for the first book, which is $7.50. And the rest of them you pay for $7 and you multiply by 4 books. Why 4 books? Because in total he buy 5. 7 times 4 is 28 plus $7.50. Get $35.50. Okay, so far so good.